I'd like to place an order.
What you like?
3 orders of garlic chicken.
And then?
And 3 orders of white rice.
And then?
And then, you guys want some soup?
Sure!
3 orders of wonton soup.
And then?
And then some fortune cookies. And then that should be it.
And then? And then?
No, that's it. No, and then.
And then?
All right. And then there's nothing else because I'm done ordering.
And then? And then? In the soup, dude.
And 3 orders of the wonton soup.
And then?
And the cookie fortune.
And the fortune cookies. Chicken, the rice, the soup, and the fortune cookies, and that's it.
And then?
And then you can put it in a brown paper bag and put it in my hands because I'm ready to eat.
And then?
I refuse to play your Chinese food mind games.
Then?
No and then. No and then. No and then. No and then. No and then.
And then?
You're really starting to piss me off, lady.
And then?
And then I'm gonna come in there and put my foot in your butt if you say and then again.